Hi guys, I'm Zachary Kobiel Cruz from grade 3 St. Patrick. Today I'm gonna show you how to create a homemade flower vase out of recycled materials. So what are you waiting for? Let's get right into it. Plastic bottle, glue, scissors, cutter, container, paintbrush, glue gun, glue stick, mask counter, printed clothes and handkerchief, colored paper, keychains, ribbons, abaka rope, pencil, eraser, and marker, and any other materials for designing. Now that we have the materials, are you ready? Let's go! First, make sure to clean the bottle before using it. Divide the bottle into two. You may use pencil, marker, and ruler to indicate where to cut it. Always remember to ask for the help of your parents or guardians in using sharp objects such as scissors and cutters. Also, ask for help in using the glue gun to avoid accidents. Ask for assistance of your parents or an adult in cutting it. Our bottle is now divided into two parts, A and B. Now, we are going to attach A on the top of B, like this. It is now time to give it some color. We will prepare the adhesive first. Get a small container. Then pour an equal amount of glue. them well. Get your colored papers. Then shred it into pieces. We'll be using these colors for this project. We are going to add here the colored papers to the bottle. Gently paste the shredded paper on the bottle using the adhesive mixture we've created earlier. Let us now put some details. For the design of the vase, we're gonna make a human-like head design. We will attach the ribbon or abaca rope that will serve as its hair. We will also use cloths, ribbons, keychains, and more for details. It is now time for the finishing touches. For its body, we may use the white ropes, ribbon, mouse counter, old handkerchief. Lastly, put the flower or plant on the vase. And here's our finished product. Here's our finished product, a homemade flower vase made out of recycled materials. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you very much for watching. Stay safe and God bless. Bye!